Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Klaviyo to Squarespace. Full step-by-step guide. Integrating these two platforms allows you to sync your website data with Klaviyo so you can run smarter email marketing campaigns, track visitors, and grow your audience more effectively. First, open your browser and go to the Klaviyo website, then log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Klaviyo dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Integrations. This section allows you to connect Klaviyo with other platforms like e-commerce stores, website builders, and marketing tools. Next, click Add Integrations or Explore Integrations. In the search bar, type Squarespace to quickly find the integration. When Squarespace appears in the list, click on it and then select Install to begin the connection process. After clicking Install, Klaviyo will prompt you to connect your Squarespace account. Go ahead and click the Connect to Squarespace button. This will open a new window asking you to sign in to your Squarespace account. Now enter your Squarespace email and password, then log in. Once you're signed in, Squarespace will ask you to authorize the connection between your website and Klaviyo. Review the permissions and confirm the connection so both platforms can communicate with each other. Once the authorization is complete, Klaviyo will automatically connect to your Squarespace site and begin syncing data. This means customer information, email subscribers, and other relevant website data can now be used inside Klaviyo to build targeted email campaigns and marketing automations. After the integration is complete, you can go back to the integrations page in Klaviyo to confirm that Squarespace is successfully connected. From there, you can start creating email flows, segments, and campaigns based on your Squarespace audience. And that's it! You've successfully connected Klaviyo to your Squarespace website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this.